In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to call Zangetsu in Project Mujutsu. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to call forth the Zangetsu Shikai. This is a Shikai that allows you to focus an immense amount of Reishi into the edge of your blade whenever you swing. This will send a crescent shape Rishi slash towards the enemies. So this phenomenon has been refined into the technique known as Getsuga Tensho, and despite its simplicity, it has a lot of different applications. To actually activate this Shikai, all that you have to do is type in chat call name followed by Zangetsu. The call name can be anything from this list. So for example, you could type Howl Zangetsu and it would appear. So all of the call names include Howl, Bloom, Roar, Devour, Scatter, Reap, Dance, Fly, Awake, Dash, Burst, Sing, or Growl. You can choose from any of these followed by Zangetsu, and you should see the animation play out where the Shikai is being activated. Make sure that you have a full Rishi bar, and like I said, it should go out immediately after. You will see all of the effects, and you will be able to use it at any point. So type out the call name followed by Zangetsu, and you will have access to all of the new abilities of your Shikai. So you have 4 abilities: In Getsuzun, Getsuga Burst, Tenbu Ranjin, and finally Getsuga Tensho. You can use these on Z, X, C, and V by default, and each of them will have different abilities and quirks. As you can see on screen, usually all of them are going to revolve around using your sword in different ways, either fast slashes or slow, very strong slashes. And all that you have to do to actually activate this Shikai is to type out call name followed by Zangetsu. I hope I was able to help you on how to call Zangetsu in Project Mujutsu. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.